Hi, I'm Candy Sherwin. This is a tutorial for Pieces to the Puzzle, choreographed by Isaac Nelson. It's a 32 count low improver. This dance right now is very popular in Southern California with a lot of the younger crowd. Has kind of a little bit of a hip hop feel to it because the song is by Pitbull and Lil Jon. There are no tags or restarts, 4 walls, and I'm going to get started. Oh, Scully's here just to make sure that I do it right. Hi, Scully. Right leg is going to start with a sailor step, behind, open, open, and a left sailor step, behind, open, open. On the right diagonal, step out, touch your left toe next to it, left diagonal, out, and touch. So the 2 sailor steps count 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The second count of 8, your right foot is going to go forward. I'm going to turn it a little sideways so you can see it. I'm going to touch my right toe forward, and I'm going to just take the heel out and out with the switch, out and out. Okay? So the counts on that are 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. On the and, immediately step back on your left while bringing your right into a sweep. This is going to travel back. Step, sweep, step, sweep, step, sweep, step, sweep. And that's pretty fast. So you end up in that left foot is behind you. The counts on that section from the swivels are 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. One more time, a little bit faster. 6, 7, 8. A 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. How about we go the first 2 8s from the top? Starting with your sailor step on the right leg. 7, 8. 1 and 2, sailor 3 and 4, step and touch 2 times, 7, now the swivel, heel and heel step, sweep, step, sweep, step, sweep, step, sweep. That is on 8, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Going on, so that left foot is immediately going to step down, you're going to step left, right, traveling forward, because you've gone back. Your left foot is here, you're going to have and 1, step on your left and hitch your right, 2, traveling forward, 2 quicker step hitches, and 3 and 4. That's like off the chain. It's the same kind of idea. I'm going to do it sideways so you can see that. So you've done the sweep, you're here, you're going to step and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, so you're here, your right foot is up. We're going to take a jazz box that's going to do a quarter turn, cross it over on 5, turn a quarter with your left shoulder back, left, step out on your right, and bring your left foot together. So it's a simple jazz box with a quarter turn. Okay, so we're gone 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that was the second and third 8. What I'm going to do for you now is just go once from the top so you can get it. It's a pretty fast dance. I'll still keep it on the medium side for you. Starting with your sailor step, 6, 7, 8, a 1 and 2, a 3 and 4, diagonal 6, swivel, 8, a 1 and 2, switch 3 into your sweep, and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, hitch 1, 2 and 3 and 4, box 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so our next wall is actually 9 o'clock, not 3 o'clock, so this count of 8 is going to eventually have us turn. This is just a real simple side step and a slide. Slide together, slide together. That's a place that where you can add a lot of personality. You can shake it, you can shimmy, you can roll the hips around, just to have some fun with that. But it's a slide together, that's your first 4 counts. Jump out, open, 5, jump with your right foot in front, 6, and you're going to unwind 7 and 8. Now, the step sheet says on 7 and 8 that when you unwind, you bounce your heels, 7, 8, and then you would start the right foot. I've seen dancers bounce it, and I've seen dancers turn it, so I'll kind of leave that up to you, but it's a turn on 7 and 8 over your left shoulder to your new wall, which is 3 o'clock. So the last count of 8 is a step together, slide out, and jump, and bounce, and or turn. And then you're here. Now the step right into your sailor step, you have to remember to hook it behind and open it out, okay? So I'll do it from the top at 2 walls. Here we go, starting with your right foot, 6, 7, 8, behind and 2, 3 and 4, tap, 5, 6, 7, toe heel, 1 and 2, switch, 3 and sweep, on a 5 and 6, on a 7, on a 8 and 1, hitch, double hitch, jab square quarter turn on 7 and 8, go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, step 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, new wall. It said there are no tags and restarts. It's pretty darn fast, so if you need to slow this down, remember on YouTube there's that little wheel at the bottom. You can change the speed if you need to practice it slow. And also, as a reminder, I always put the step sheets on my post in the directions underneath, so you can check things out from there. Okay, so we're going to play some music and get started. That was good. Shut that music off. Whew. Still need an even move, except for that big stretch you gave us at the beginning. I'm out of breath. So, I hope you enjoyed this. As again, I said, I know that it's a dance that we do here a lot in Southern California. So I thought we'd put it out there for the rest of my followers on YouTube. I sure appreciate you guys watching. You have no idea. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Share the video, make comments, send me some messages, and most of all, I really, once again, appreciate you following. Keep on dancing, and I will see you on the dance floor. Remember, I'm here in Los Angeles if you come to visit. Thanks so much for watching.